What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Innovations, and today we're going to go over the 22RE Multi-Coil Kit. And just to set the stage out there, we always just call it 22R because it's easier. We have 2RZ, 3RZs, 5EZs, and the E is just for electronic ignition. And let's just be honest, if it wasn't electronic ignition system, we wouldn't be having this discussion. What we're working on today is the Toyota 22RE Multi-Coil Kit. 22RE Multi-Coil Kit is a product overview about the kit. So what you'll get is a Haltech ECU Elite 550. This is a completely programmable standalone engine management system. You guys have seen these, you've seen our brown trucks and everything else that we've done. So we preload the ECUs with a startup tune based on your EFI order form. That helps us helps me to program the ECU with the startup tune. It's a startup tune, not your drive tune. There is a difference. It's just designed to get it to start and run. Tuning is always required because every vehicle is different, every engine is different. So Haltech Elite 550 kit, ECU mounting plate, mounts just like that. Comes with a Haltech WB1 Wide Band and a sensor. And what that does is that is a Haltech wideband and sensor, which feeds information to the ECU. We don't use any other sensors. And if somebody says, well, I already have an AM, I don't care. We want to make sure we get the most accurate information. Since the Haltech computer was designed to work with the WB1 and WB1 was designed to work with the Haltech computer ECU, we want to make sure that communication and the accuracy is as the best as possible. So it's pretty simple there. We also supply a full complete engine harness. This is as you will see it when it comes out of the box. It's a full complete engine harness. It's got cam and crank, which cam and crank is going to be cam and crank, very basic and simple. We have a relay we put in here, which is the power supply to the injectors and to the coils, the 4 coils, as our modified distributor because we add a pickup sensor to it. We put a rotor on it just for installation purposes. So this way we can make sure that this gets installed exactly where it needs to be. But when this is installed and everything is done, then you're going to have that go on. Pretty simple, pretty neat. We 3D print these in-house, pretty cool. We don't paint them just in case our customers want to paint them their own color. We are experimenting with some other types of paint, wrinkle paint, stuff like that. So custom spark plug wires, coil mounting plate. This mounts the top of the valve cover, redesigned again, but we redesigned it so it has better clearances everywhere. The breathers have better clearances. 4 coils there. That comes with the kit as well. So those get mounted right inside here. And in your bag, you'll have a ton of hardware mounting kits that mount the ECU to the plate, but more importantly, mounting hardware that mounts the coils to the plates. We also designed the coil harness to be detachable, which is pretty cool because as these 4 coils get mounted here, and this plugs into the back like this. This plugs into our ECU. All this is made in-house. We make these in-house, 100% American made. If you have to remove the valve cover to adjust your valve lash, whatever the case may be, all you have to do is undo your bolts with the plate and bracket and unplug this connector here, unbolt your ground wire, and the whole assembly comes off together. You don't have to undo the brackets and coils and all that stuff. You can leave the bracket bolted onto the valve cover and remove this all together. You don't have to keep removing these if you have to go through and adjust the valves multiple times. So that's basically the full complete harness kit. There'll be vacuum lines that'll come in here because the Haltech ECU has an internal map sensor. It's good for about 43 pounds of boost. Make sure that the vacuum line gets connected directly to a manifold pressure source and not the throttle body. It's extremely important. Do not put the vacuum lines on the throttle body. You will not get an accurate manifold source. If it is a supercharged application, make sure that your source is after the supercharger. not before it, not on the throttle body, never on the throttle body. I can't stress that enough because half of our customers still go to the throttle body. Don't go to the throttle body. So what you want is, if it's in a boosted application, you want your source to be after the throttle body, after the supercharger if it has one, and then you want to tee that off to the fuel pressure regulator and then the Haltech ECU. This way we can read vacuum, we can read boost. And that's it. That's the entire kit right there. Like I said, there's hardware for this. There's hardware so the cap goes on. There's hardware so you can mount this down to the valve cover. There's hardware to mount the coils to the mounting plate, detachable coil harness, communication cable that goes with the wide band, WB1 Wide Band, custom spark plug wires, custom modified distributor, and our full, complete American-made, in-house built engine harness. That's it. That's our product overview. It's for the 22RE. Don't forget the E. Somebody in the comments is going to say, oh, I use for electronic ignition. I know. We wouldn't be having this conversation if it wasn't. So if you guys like this content, please drop a comment. Don't forget to do all that stalker stuff. Like, follow, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And if there's a video that you want to see that we haven't done yet, please drop something in the comments and let us know. We're working hard to try to bring more technical content, Haltech how-tos to navigate through the software, changing injector sizes, calibrating throttle positioning sensor. That's on our list as well. So if there's more content you'd like to see, please drop something in a comment. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.